What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Dad and Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
a pair of luxury New Balance, the 550 Rich Paul, Forever Yours. So Nigel, before we get into it, if it's their first time here, man, what should they do?
You need to hit that notification bell right now. Get that joint ringing because we got heat. You loved it. Come get it.
That's right.
Formula.
And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. Vibing, rocking with us.
Yeah.
Thanks for rocking with us online, IG and Twitter and all those things at Real Daddy C. Make sure you follow us there and interact. Yeah. So, all right, the Rich Paul New Balance Forever Yours. All right.
It's gonna look lugs just from the box.
The box does look. It's the box for real. Like says department store. Like like you're looking at like Neiman Marcus or something. Right. Definitely some luxury, high end.
It got roses on it.
Presentation. Right. It's got the Forever Yours, the Rich Paul logo.
Right.
Which is dope. And before we get into the shoe, I'll take the pair out just so you can look at it first, and then we'll talk about Rich Paul and who he is. You know what? Let me do a little something.
Lux.
It's so luxury.
You gotta handle it like it's diamonds.
Yeah, man. I feel like if I could get gloves on. So you got it inside the box, Forever Yours. All right, so now we're ready. It feels like we're about to really be embarking on something delicate. But if you take a look, they are very, very delicate, man.
You'll understand why we got these gloves on, man.
Seriously.
These are plus, bro.
They are super luxe.
Super plus.
Yeah. Super luxury. You said plus? You mean like plush?
No, like plus, like high.
Oh,
like more, premium.
More on top. So plus.
New Balance Plus.
Extra. I got you. The New Balance Plus. So this is a pair. These are from eBay. Shout out to my boy Westland, my local guy here, man. He's been plugging me good with some good heat.
Yeah.
He's been chasing a lot of good stuff and been copping, being successful copping a lot. So he's been helping the channel out, man. Big props to you for that, buddy. Really appreciate it. Yeah. So we can bring y'all a close look. This shoe, you see I got the gloves, man. This is like a finest. This nubuck suede is, man, this next level from like a feel standpoint. Super short hair, suede, but almost like butter, like the movement on that. You look at that. And we can talk about Rich Paul. So Rich Paul, this is his second collab with New Balance. So he did a 550 before, and it was the leather. It was like white, navy blue, like a sky blue and yellow. So yeah, then it's the second collab. And Rich Paul, it's one big thing that I'll say, I really respect LeBron James. He's not my favorite player. I'm a Kobe guy. And, so much goes into the GOAT conversation, and LeBron is always thrown in that conversation, and he's great. But what I do respect immensely is him off the court, right? What he's done with his, his family. He's been like stand-up guy with his family all these years, and always, he put his homeboys on, which is so big, right? Like you see people,
bro, LeBron's like
get to this level,
as a person.
And he's like, I'm the number one prospect, about to blow up all over the world. I'm putting on my day ones. And Rich Paul wasn't necessarily a day one, but he's from Cleveland as well. And him and LeBron met when LeBron was in high school. They met I think it was at the airport. Rich Paul used to sell vintage jerseys. So talk about you and your vintage love. He used to sell vintage football jerseys and stuff out of his trunk.
Wow.
So he was just just hustling.
It was vintage back in the 90s.
Yeah, exactly. So they met, I think, in 2002.
Okay.
Which is, LeBron was, late teens. And him and Rich Paul were at the airport. Rich Paul had on a vintage Warm Moon Houston Oilers jersey. LeBron was like, nice jersey. They talked, became friends. Wow. And since then,
he didn't even know he was selling the jerseys, really.
Right, exactly. Wow. He was just like, what's up? Like the jersey, where you get it from. And he was like, it's mine. And then they developed a friendship. And then LeBron, of course, goes on to be, the great LeBron James. And Rich Paul was initially involved in LeBron's branding and kind of marketing and stuff on LeBron's team. And then he broke out and said he wanted to start his own sports agency. So Rich Paul now owns Clutch Sports, which is, a Clutch agency. And he has, represented LeBron, Anthony Davis. You got Tristan Thompson. You got the Redskins player
agency now.
Yeah, his own agency, and it's his agency under contract is over $1 billion that they've negotiated for players. So he's they're
is Rich Paul.
Yeah, small agency but doing big things. Yeah. And much respected in that arena. And now he dates, of course, dates Adele, the singer.
He's dating Adele.
Yeah,
celebrities just be
I know.
Just be dating each other.
Just in those circles, I guess it happens the way it happens. But in any event, that's just a little backstory of Rich Paul. But he's a hustler, well-respected guy, and he brought this luxury collab to the New Balance 550. I mean, the detail on it is dope.
Yeah, he definitely cooked with this one.
And the story is forever yours.
Forever yours?
Forever yours. Now,
is that like some romantic? It's got the roses on the box.
It sounds like it, right? But like in the visuals and commercials and all for the shoe, he was really talking about the love of basketball and the love of the game. You know, like I got up early.
Like to basketball.
I missed out on activities and things because of you, but I had fun anyway. Like I got up early for you. So he did this whole, it was like a whole tribute to basketball. Right.
It's like that song, like they making listeners think they talking about a woman. Whole song's about basketball.
Right.
That's tough.
And it's forever yours.
Right.
And the New Balance 550 is the old retro New Balance basketball shoe, right?
Yeah.
But
he got back with the ex.
Exactly. He's back with his girl basketball.
Right.
So in any event, man, I just wanted to give that full backstory on the shoe. And the story behind it, but
it's
overall
beautiful though, bro.
Yeah, you dig it?
Purple is nice.
So that purple, is it like a rose? It's giving like rose color a little bit, like burgundy-ish and purple-ish.
Roses come in this burgundy-ish color.
They do.
They do. Purple sometimes.
Yeah, you can kind of find them.
Should make like a red one too.
Like a red shoe.
Yeah,
reddish
shoes. With these, but the materials on this are so like pristine. Could really do this in any color and it would work perfectly.
True story. I like the tongue. Like the tongue is super detailed, like the logo and the roses behind it and all of that. And let me see. I also wanted to see the insole. And we got like a basic foam insole. Nothing too luxurious. I would expect this to probably be like leather or something, but it's not. But
it's okay.
Nice overall, right?
Put all their work on the outside.
Yeah, exactly. And the sizing on these, from what everything I've heard, and on 550s in general, I've got a pair. I buy them true to size. They may have a little space in them, but I like the fit of those. Yeah. True to size, I wouldn't go up. Some people say size up a half. But that's probably as far as you want to go.
Okay.
But this shoe was nice. It's new.
Bottom says non-marking sole. Is that regular?
On some shoes.
What's that mean?
That means like when you wear these in your school gym, it won't leave marks. Like on that floor.
Oh, it doesn't mark. That's tough.
Yeah, the non-marking. Yeah.
Cool technology they got. See. That's good that they did that because they're not trying to let you mess this shoe up.
Right, or you mess up wherever you're going to play ball or whatever you're doing. And the construction of the shoe, I mean, you got mesh, you got suede all around, mesh kind of on the heels. That's really it. The rest of it is all leather and suede. On the forefoot here, there's a little mesh in the tongue area, but that's it.
The tongue has a little bit too.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, man, it's just the latest entry, the Rich Paul Deluxe Luxury. This really give me like I'm on my year vibes. Like if they touch the New Balance,
I feel like they kind of the same as I'm on my year with the whole luxury thing.
Maybe they would have like some quilt inside or something.
They definitely. This would be quilt right here.
Exactly, exactly. But talking to new things, man. You talk about your ears over here, man. You got a new look that you're sporting for the new
Forgot about
year.
that.
I forget too. Like every time,
bro,
until you pop back up, I'm like, oh yeah.
Every time I'm like not in a mirror, I just forget. But yeah, I got my ears pierced the other day. What y'all think? This is the first earring I had to get because I had to keep these in for a few weeks. But it's trying to customize.
He's customizing.
Customize my character.
Nigel think he's the character on like NBA 2K, and he's add little things here and there.
In a TV show.
Just keep getting upgrades. That's cool, as long as they all good.
Yeah.
No face tats and no neck tats. What y'all think? Not yet. What y'all think? You digging the earrings?
Yeah.
You up? Thumbs up on tattoos or nah? I don't know. Like everybody doesn't have tattoos. I don't. But some people do. Some people love tattoos.
Yeah.
And either way, I can go either way.
I wanted earrings and tattoos since I was like a jit anyway. So I feel like at this point, I'm not ready to change my mind about it.
Kid slang, man. A jit.
A jit. Love me.
So anyway, are y'all feeling the Rich Paul 550? That logo on the back. Yeah, my numbers. My rating on this. I mean, as far as the 550 goes, that's a 10 out of 10, man. I mean, It's got the luxe treatment. The colorway is nice.
Yeah.
I think on a nice, easy summer day, summer evening, this is like chilling with your folks.
I see it as some winter too.
Yeah?
Definitely.
Yeah, you just got to put some protectant on it because this stuff is delicate, man. This material.
Yeah, you got to take care of it.
You don't want to get anything on that. Hence why we got the gloves on.
Right.
Nobody going to say we messed their shoes up.
Rulers.
Exactly. We got to pull out the velvet towel, velvet glove thing. What's your rating, man? What you got?
That's definitely a 10 for sure. I was thinking at the moment it stepped out the box.
All right. Nigel was trying to take a peek before we filmed. I said, nah, let's wait. Get it all on camera.
Had to surprise me.
Right.
By the way, these are size 12. So, bro, that got these shoes, I will take these off your hands.
That's something you want to negotiate about. All right, y'all. Thanks for hanging out on this one. We'll see you on the next. Peace.